Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Tesla Model 3 steering wheel. First, you'll want to access the main controls on your car's large touchscreen display. From there, look for the car icon, which opens up a menu with various settings for your vehicle. Next, you'll need to find the steering option within this menu to proceed with the adjustment process. This is where you initiate the steering wheel customization. Once you've selected steering on the screen, you'll see options for adjusting the wheel. The screen will prompt you to use the left scroll wheel on your actual steering wheel. To move the steering wheel up or down, simply roll the left scroll wheel vertically. For horizontal adjustments, push the same scroll wheel either to the left or to the right. This intuitive method allows for precise positioning. After you've found your ideal steering wheel position, it's a great idea to save these settings to your driver profile. This ensures that your preferred setup is always just a tap away, even if someone else drives your Tesla. You can create a new profile or update an existing one directly from the touchscreen. This feature is super convenient, especially if multiple people regularly drive the car, as each can have their own perfect configuration. Taking the time to properly adjust your steering wheel can significantly enhance your driving comfort and safety. A well-positioned wheel reduces fatigue and improves control, making every journey more enjoyable. Remember, small adjustments can make a big difference in your overall driving experience. For those looking to optimize more than just their driving, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.